Hi traders, just want to take you through key levels on dollar yen. I'm on the weekly chart here. So weekly support is at 139.38, and last week we got support, had a reversal week, and we've broken the higher last week and we're moving up. Trend on the weekly chart is up, higher bottom, higher top. This is probably now a higher bottom forming here for a move up to challenge weekly resistance at 145.89. So let's just drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the day chart now, on the day chart we are still in a downtrend, but we had a very good day up yesterday. It might take a while for the day chart to show an uptrend, but most definitely this is a weekly support low coming in, and there's an area of intraday resistance here that got broken yesterday, which we'll clearly see on the 4-hour chart. So let's drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart, I've drawn in a fib from the higher bottom to the current top, and this is last week's high, and we've had an area of consolidation where we've broken out. So we've broken above resistance. Now I'm looking for a pullback to that to become support, and I'm watching last week's high and the 62% retracement level at 140.63. So last week's high, let me just tell you the price level. Last week's high is here, that's at 140.79. 62% levels at 140.63. Are we able to pull back to that level and find support? Let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 15-minute chart, just highlight a couple of areas. I've already discussed this one on the 4-hour chart, but in a strong trend intraday, price will often only pull back to the central pivot point, and the central pivot point for today is here at 141.51. So we may only get an intraday pullback to that level today before price moves higher. So watch that level, 141.51. Yes, we could get a deeper pullback to last week's high, 140.79, to the 62% retracement level at 140.63 before finding support and moving higher. So those are the two levels that I'm watching. Do we only pull back to the central pivot point, 141.51? Watch that level first of all. Or do we get a deeper pullback? Watch last week's high at 140.79 down to the 62% retracement at 140.63 for support today. Now if we get support and we start to move higher, my long-term target at the moment is that weekly resistance level at 145.89. Alright traders, so those are levels I'm watching today for a pullback, for then a move higher.